Hello and welcome to Naughty Daddy's Guide to Computing from Maths to Minecraft. In this video we are going to make an OR gate using just NANDs or just NORs. So let's copy these. And let's paste here. Okay. So since we're making an OR gate, we can make it very simply just by sticking a knot on there, and as you'll remember, we can make a knot using a NOR gate simply by joining the two inputs together. So you've got your NOR gate, you've got another NOR gate with the two inputs stuck together, and there you have your OR gate. So let's just confirm that by knotting that output. So if we knot A or B, what do we end up with? That 1 becomes a 0, that 0 becomes a 1, that 1 becomes a 1, so that 0 becomes a 1, and that 0 becomes a 1. And this is OR. Okay, so looking at the NAND, how do we convert this to an OR gate? Well, simply pop a knot on here, and again, if you've only got a NAND gate, all you have to do is join the two inputs together to create a NOT gate. So you would use three NAND gates. Two of the NAND gates would have their inputs joined together to create NOT gates, and they would be put on the input of a third NAND gate, and that would create this OR gate. So here we have our NAND truth table. So what we're going to do with this now is we're knotting the two inputs. So we have NOT A and NOT B. And this output now will be NOT A and NOT B, which you might already remember from De Morgan's law is actually A or B, but we are going to prove it. So this 0 becomes a 1, this 0 becomes a 1, so this 0 becomes a 1, this 1 becomes a 0, this 1 becomes a 0, this 0 becomes a 1, this 1 becomes a 0, and this 1 becomes a 0. So this is NOT A and NOT B would be a 1, but we've got to knot it so it becomes a 0. Again, NOT A and NOT B, 1 and 0 is 0, but knotted it will become a 1. 0 and 1 would be 0, but knotted it will become a 1. 0 and 0 becomes 0, and knotted it becomes a 1. And here again we have our OR gate, which is like that. So there we have an OR gate made with just a NAND, or a NOR gate made with just an OR gate made with just a NOR. And in the previous video we managed to create an AND and an OR gate just using in the previous video we created an AND gate using just a NOR or just a NAND. So that's all possible combinations done. In the next video we'll take a closer look at this exclusive OR gate.